beauties, it's Michelle here at Modelrock and welcome back to our weekly vlog and video. We hope you're having a wonderful day so far. So as you can guess from the title of this video, we're going to be sharing some tips and tricks on how to create a flawless face for your wedding day. This is perfect for those who want to do their own makeup for their wedding day. Doing your own makeup takes a lot of consideration and planning to make sure everything runs as smoothly as possible, so we are here to help. Let's dive right in and share these tips and tricks. The first and most important step is to treat your face. To ensure that you have the most flawless makeup application, you want to make sure that your skin is taken care of. And achieving beautiful skin is all in the preparation. We recommend you start getting frequent facials leading up to your wedding day. So doing this will create a huge difference in the texture of your skin and give you the best base for makeup application. Try aiming for at least 3 monthly treatments prior to your wedding to keep your skin in tip-top shape. Now don't forget to keep your skin moisturized daily. We recommend using the Embryolisse 24-hour Miracle Cream. This stuff is amazing for all skin types. So this can also be used as a general moisturizer, a makeup primer, and a moisturizing mask all in one. As they say, practice makes perfect, and they're not wrong. It's the perfect opportunity to see what kind of makeup look suits you the best. Practice also helps you trial and test products to see what works best on your skin. We recommend not following current trends and wear what works for you personally. You want your makeup for your wedding to be timeless. That way you can look back in years to come and still be happy and content with the way your makeup looked. Combat those tears. Weddings are normally an emotional and tearful event. Even if you don't think you'll get emotional, it's always best to not get caught off guard. We don't want to end up with panda eyes. We recommend wearing waterproof mascara and waterproof lash glue. This will prevent any mishaps on the day. For your special day, we highly recommend our Slay All Day Lash Adhesive. This lash adhesive will be your best bet as it's super strong hold, quick drying, waterproof, and latex free. It has an all-day flexible hold, so you won't have to worry about your lashes lifting or falling off. I absolutely love this glue. I use this on all my clients and myself. It is a holy grail and a must-have. So if you haven't tried this already, definitely do so. Another thing to take into consideration is that your makeup is camera friendly. So once you've nailed your bridal makeup, you want to do a couple of tests to see if it looks great in photos and videos. Try taking some photos with your phone, and if you have a camera, use your camera as well. Don't forget to try taking photos with the flash on as well to test for any flashback. This will just ensure whether you need to do any touch-ups or you need to go a little bit heavier in areas so it shows up on camera. Now for a in-depth video on how to do camera-friendly makeup and our tips and tricks, head over to our previous blog, which is how to do camera-ready makeup. We've linked it below, so just click there and follow. And last but not least is to create a touch-up kit for the day. Through all the smiles, kisses, hugs, tears, dancing, food and beverage, your makeup may start to wear off, which is completely normal. To ensure a flawless face throughout your special day, always have a touch-up kit close at hand. Pack a mini kit with all your makeup essentials, and we recommend giving it to your bridesmaid or maid of honor and to keep it in their clutch so it's within reach. We suggest including in your kit some blotting paper, some translucent powder just in case you get a little bit oily throughout the day, your chosen lip products, and a mini lash glue just in case there is lifting. You shouldn't have any issues with the Slay All Day lash glue, but it's always great to come prepared. So that is it for this week's blog. We hope you enjoyed our tips and tricks. What are some of your bridal makeup tips? And have you or would you do your own wedding makeup for your special day? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will catch you in next week's vlog. Talk soon.